Do you ever feel like self-doubt is holding you back, even when you know you're capable of more? That hesitation can affect how you act, speak, and make decisions every day. That's exactly what How to Boost Your Self-Confidence in 21 Days is designed to improve. This ebook follows a clear 21-day structure focused on simple daily actions. Instead of overwhelming information, it guides you step by step so you can build confidence gradually and realistically. One of the key ideas is consistency. Small actions repeated daily can create real change over time. The guide includes practical exercises and reflection techniques that help you become more aware of your thoughts and reactions. It also focuses on mindset. You'll learn how the way you think influences how you feel about yourself and how to replace negative patterns with more supportive ones. Another important aspect is taking action. Confidence grows when you prove to yourself that you can handle challenges. The ebook encourages simple steps that help you move forward even when things feel uncertain. Because everything is structured over a short and clear period, the process feels manageable and easy to follow. This makes it a great choice for anyone who wants to improve self-esteem and feel more comfortable in their daily life. If you're ready to build real confidence step by step, this ebook is worth exploring. You'll find the link in the description. Check it out and see how to Boost Your Self-Confidence in 21 Days can help you feel more confident and in control.